kids who are right now waiting for, I have a son who's waiting for his exams, and you know, his assessment, should he choose to pass, no, his results is not going to reflect what he's best at, and you know, his assessment will not reflect what his passion is. But I know that intelligence comes in different ways and forms, so there's room for him to succeed. But the way our system is set up right now, that's not how it's going to work. So if I had a way, it wouldn't be your straight A's, grades, exams. It would be multiple portfolios and personal standardization assessments. That's one. Number two, what I look at is the fact that, you know, we forget to treat children as children, and we're so immersed in wanting to do STEM and STEAM that we forget that one of the biggest ways in which we can help children thrive, not survive, thrive, is to look at imagination and play and creativity. So the arts, bring back the arts, bring back humanities. We have forgotten empathy. We have forgotten how to build things, how to imagine possibilities, and this is what's going to take us to the 21st century and 22nd century forward. Not STEAM and STEM alone, but play and imagination and creativity, and that's where your innovation and collaboration comes in, when you have empathy and you share. Right.